What's up, tax savers? Let's discuss the LLC today, particularly the different types of returns you might file if you're an LLC, because with the LLC, there's a couple different ways that it can be taxed, and I want to break those down for you today. So the first and simplest is a single member LLC, and that is if you form an LLC, you don't make an S-Corp election status, and you're just an LLC with one member. The way that works is it's what's called a disregarded entity, which means there's no separate federal tax return for the LLC. So you just put all of your income for that LLC on either a Schedule C if it's a business or a Schedule E if it's rental. And then there's a separate state form that you fill out. And make sure any postage, as a side note, postage that you deliver, there's a mailman that just drove by, write off all your postage if it's related to business. But back to the LLC thing. So if it's a single member LLC, you have a separate state return. The federal return would just be as if there's no separate entity. If it's an LLC that has more than one, so two or more partners or members in that LLC, then you have to file a partnership return, a Form 1065. So there's a federal and a state return for that. And so that's if there's more than one owner. If you're an LLC and you make an election to be taxed as an S corporation to get rid of that pesky self-employment tax, then you file an 1120S, which is an S corporation return, and you do that whether you're one owner or multiple owners, you file the same S corporation return. So those are the different types of returns you can file as an LLC. There's the single member LLC, no difference on the federal return, but you have a state return, there's a partnership return, and then there's the S corporation 1120S return. If you've got an LLC and you have more questions on that, drop them in the comments, send me a message. Otherwise, see you next time.
Words that I say, downtown the lights out, but we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go.